And we're live. Hello and welcome to another stream with me, Axel, and with me today I have
Walter, and I am from Sweden. I am a developer on the game Rupert Grimsby's Shard. And
So what do you
we
like to
want
do on your spare time, Walter? Thanks for calling in. Hello, Bruno.
I like to do game on my spare time.
Isn't that what nerds do in their basement?
I don't have a basement, but yeah.
Okay.
Okay, time
okay.
to make a game, okay?
Okay. Do you want to write a little tweet?
A little posty doasty.
Yeah, a little posty doast. Hello, Erox. Hello, Snooze, and hello, Luz. And hello, Nicole. Hello, Nicole.
We're live streaming the development.
And hello, Cake, and hello, Say Sword.
Come give us feedback.
Walter's desktop is making me stressed out. Yeah, I'm not gonna zoom in on it. It's got too many secrets in there.
Secrets on where?
Your desktop?
Oh, yeah.
There is a Rupert there somewhere. Hello, Sandpile, and hello, Daniel. Oh, you're Lucy? Okay, cool. Then I know who you are. Welcome to the stream. So let's have a look at the latest updates, shall we? Walter, that's up to you, if you want to.
Yeah, well.
Or should we keep them secret?
We shall.
Okay, so Walter made texts when you walk up to interactable props. Or not interactable, well, I guess interactable. Enterable.
Yeah, enterable props.
So there's a text.
You can't really see it. You can't really see it on the stream though.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, did I just disappear? Here I am. Look at me. I have a really, messy room behind me. We need to clean.
I got a really tidy room, so we're like yin and yang. I hid the chat just for a little bit so you guys can see it. It's really cool. And you also worked on getting props to be stored. So if you go in here, there's some rocks and grass.
Yeah.
Is it? Did you copy like the sand biome stuff?
Yeah, it's just the sand biome for now.
Does it have its own like where you can type in what props spawn? Okay, cool.
So you can create new props if you want to.
Yeah,
and sure. the props will save the HP and the state and everything. We'll save everything. So
yeah. So see, now we broke one prop or one stone completely and one a little bit. And if we walk out and walk back in, hey, it's the same. Who would have thunk?
Yeah, that took me some time. Well, it went kind of well actually, so it didn't take that much time. But we had some errors jumping back and forth between rooms, and then Axel pointed out that we shouldn't be able to jump back and forth between rooms that quickly.
Yeah, it felt kind of weird.
I added a little delay that is in the macros right now. We can change that delay to whatever we want in the macros.
Yeah, this feels really good though.
Yeah, it's like 20. I think it's 20 frames.
20 frames on Dead Man's chest.
Yeah, so that removed the error also. So good thinking there, Axel.
Thanks, you removed the error. Thanks. I couldn't have done it without.
I really need to clean my room. That's a fact.
You can do that during the stream. Hello Rexy, hello Eric, hello Pico, and I think
that's about it. That's about the more.
That's about the more. So yeah, do you think it would be easy to animate this text?
Yeah, probably.
Do we want to have like an E button as well?
Yeah, I thought about that.
Maybe it would be over the actual door, maybe.
I think we should. Before we add that, we should have. I think we should have a system for that, so that we can generate buttons like that, so they're kind of coded. Because we want people to be able to rebind.
Yeah, for sure. So it wouldn't be sprites.
Yeah, so it would be kind of coded graphic that looks like a button on a keyboard.
Yeah, but the shells are so weak. It's so fun to break them.
Yeah, it really changes how you view sheds.
Yeah.
In the game world, because if you destroy them now, you destroy a part of the game world.
Oh no! I thought you could have infinite huts, like a Russian doll.
Oh no! That would be weird.
It would be weird.
So you couldn't enter it at all?
No.
Okay.
But they are here.
Yeah.
It feels way too executional to break the sheds with the shotgun. It's just way too violent. I like it though.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do this week is probably I'm gonna finish the rooms, I think, and then I'm gonna lend my sister's kind of bad laptop and try to get the game to run at 60 FPS on that laptop. It runs in 40 to 50 FPS on that laptop right now, but it's a kind of bad laptop. But still, we have no enemies. We only have a game world. We should be able to run it in 60 FPS on that laptop. So I'll see what the problem is. I think the main problem is how we draw the shadows, and computers with bad graphic cards can't really keep up. I think that's the case, and I can probably fix that, or we just disable the shadows for those computers. But I mean, the shadows really add depth to the game.
Yeah, without the shadows, it feels very flat. But at the same time, like, what else could we do?
Yeah, I really think it's the shadows. I know we can probably optimize the shadows by breaking them down to smaller parts, and then drawing, like, puzzling the parts together and drawing them that way.
Kind of like you do with the particle system?
Not really, but kind of. So we'll probably do something like that. So we'll use a couple of surfaces. It's gonna be a lot of just trial and error, I think. But it's a good thing I can lend that computer, because it's kind of bad computer. It's an okay computer, and the game should be able to run on that computer.
Yeah.
It also gave me it also gave me the idea that we can, if the FPS is low, we can play the game faster with our you know, the speed up thing. So we get frame skips instead of actual.
Oh, so it slows down now.
Yeah. Right now it slows down.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
just that's how GameMake works, and I think all games works like that. If you have to program frame skip yourself, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't worked in other engines that much. Yeah.
So Cake says you could build the shadows into the textures if you haven't already. The problem with that is we don't want shadows overlapping, like you see the shadow on the player. When I walk into the shadow of the tiles, it doesn't get darker, but instead it's just the same color.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's a cool effect, and it should be like that. But yeah, we should be able to optimize this. I think we're the way we're doing it right now is not really optimized at all, I think.
Oh, okay.
It works on our computers because we have good graphic cards, but I think it's really slow on the graphic cards. I think so, at least. I'm gonna try it on my sister's computer and try to disable the shadows. If we get the same FPS as with shadows, then the shadows are fine. Then it's just a matter of having too much props. And that's a good thing, because that we can just have in the settings.
Yeah.
And we'll actually have something. We'll actually have a safe. I don't know what to call it, a safeguard or something. That will, if your game is running below 60 FPS for 20 seconds, will have the game pause, and then your computer will start talking to you and telling you to turn down the settings because it's too hard on him. And it's gonna talk with a robot voice, and it's gonna be funny.
Okay. So I'm just gonna have a look at your text thing, see how hard it would be to animate it.
Yeah, if you're gonna do that, you should probably figure out a way to show the chat, show the viewers. Because,
yeah, I can easily just make the game window smaller. Doesn't have to be full screen. Do that now.
That's true.
Easily.
That's true.
It would be so easy.
Well.
There we go.
We have some new viewers, actually. I haven't seen this
It's Lucy from the Discord.
Is it Lucifer?
No.
Oh,
Lucy.
Lucy.
Let's see.
We have two Lucy right now.
So we have Luce and we have Lucy.
Yeah.
It's Lucykins.
Okay, but we call Lucifer Lucy as well.
Yeah. It's a
problem.
It's a problem. One of you have to fight to the death. I am the Lucy. Here goes. Yes, so now the game window is not completely full screen.
Yeah, that works.
Whatever works. How does this look? Fight! Lucy and Lucy, yeah. There's a small difference. You just have to listen for it. So where can I find this this text? This wonderful text?
It's in the view. Draw in draw GUI. GUI. What's the best way of saying that?
UI, I'd say.
GUI.
GUI just feels weird and bad.
GUI. Yeah, it's like GIF and GIF.
Yeah, but GUI is like a word in itself too.
GUI.
No, like GUI, like something is.
Yeah.
Let's see. If enter equals 1, is this the guy?
Yes. So that's the guy. We should be able to fix it.
Yeah. I can fix it. I can fix it. I can fix it?
Of course I can. Of course I can. Of course I can. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do today.
Other than all the other stuff.
Yeah, all the other stuff. So we have a bunch of stuff to fix. I think one thing that really lowered the FPS quite a bit is when we introduced modules. We kind of went all out with the props because every single module uses a bunch of props. I mean, it looks good, but I think that's one of the main culprits.
Goes on. I understand what you mean.
Look at this. Look at this. It's a bunch of props.
Yeah, but I mean,
yeah,
we can remove the things that aren't shootable on lower PCs, but I feel like making less props just for like really bad laptops.
Well, we'll see, because right now I think we would get FPS drops by adding enemies. So I think we could fall below 60 FPS even on our computers right now if we add enemies. Because enemies they use the physics engine, and the physics engine. Well, it's heavier than other stuff. So
it's
we'll
just
see.
Crazy to me that like what you see on the screen right now is too much.
Yeah, but it's gaming.
I mean, there's a lot of empty space on the screen.
Yeah, but we have like right now we have 339 active instances, and it's when you're at the grass area and you have like sometimes you have 700 active instances.
Yeah,
that's the problem. I mean, we're probably not doing this the most optimized way possible, because we're kind of new to this and we don't know every single trick. So that's probably the case as well. I mean, we're doing it pretty optimized, I think, but I think we could do it a lot more optimized if we knew how.
Yeah, just that.
Well, we gotta have gameplay as well. We can't just have nice environment.
Yeah, for sure. But
because if
I gameplay is like mining stuff.
Yeah. But if I add a bunch of players right now, let's see. Now we have a bunch of players. I think this is the most enemies will encounter at once, and it's pretty. It's at 300 plus, and I'm streaming to you, so that's fine, I think. But then they'll shoot as well. Yeah, now I get below 57, 58 or something. Yeah, we'll see. Oh God!
I heard it all the way over here.
Yeah. So we'll see. Oh,
Stop doing it.
so we'll see. Well, I'm gonna study like optimizations, tricks, and such. So we should be able to.
Where do you change the shortcuts?
In Game Maker?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can. No, I don't think so.
Keep my music.
So you found it. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we'll just do a rinse.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I want the FPS to be. I mean, I'm gonna lend that computer, and if we can get it to run at 60 FPS on that computer, then we should be fine. Because that computer it's not a gaming computer at all. And if I can make it run on that computer, then we're settled. I mean, even though we'll probably have to add some settings and things like that, but still, if we can make it run and look decent on that computer, then I think it should be fine.
I think one thing that we could do is just to have an overall multiplier for props, and then based on that, it just removes like a lot of the props, and then you have a setting for like how many environment props you can have.
Yeah, the hard thing there is no, it shouldn't be a problem. We'll see. Oh. If we come up with a way to make the game run faster, like with the fist speed, then dropping down to like 30 FPS shouldn't be a big problem. Because if we drop down to 30 FPS and its frame skips, then it's fine. Like on bad computers, that is. On our computers, it shouldn't ever drop below 60 FPS on our computers. If it drops below 60 FPS on our computers, then the game won't be shippable. I heard that I don't know what that game is called. Come on, Hyper Light Drifter. They had some real problems with the FPS on like pretty good computers actually. But I think that was the early versions, the early access or something like that. But yeah, we'll optimize. I mean, we will be able to run it on every single computer, but it won't look as cool on every single computer, just like real games. Remember those, Axel? Real games?
Oh yeah, I've had one of those.
You have? Nice, Axel. So what I can do right now is, no, I'm not gonna do that right now because it's boring. But something I like to do is just removing different props and different things from the game and see if I get an FPS boost. So see what messes with the FPS the most. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I should do that when I learn the computer later.
Yeah. Whatever you please, my bees.
Yeah, I know that you're not listening, you fucker. Yeah, whatever.
Sounds good, bro.
Yeah, that was a nice trip. Something.
Good plan.
One thing we could do is to have few enemies, but hard enemies. That really depends on what gameplay we want.
Yeah, right now, like the gameplay is leaning towards more enemies, I'd say.
Yeah.
It's very fast-paced.
Yeah,
and
totally.
I think that's more fun as well in 2D.
Yeah. That depends on what mechanics we figure out. But I think the ones we have planned works better with more enemies.
I think so too.
We'll see. I could probably optimize the physics engine as well somehow.
So what's that?
I could probably optimize the physics engine as well somehow. We'll just have to optimize everything, I think. Just go through everything and see what we can do better. And we're gonna be fine. One thing I've thought about, but I don't know, is we could have instead of one big room, we could have plenty small rooms, but that's not as fun, I think.
No.
I like the openness.
That's the whole idea of a vast place to explore.
Yeah.
Like if Zelda was only like the little dungeons.
Yeah. So what I should do is to add the decals to this mofo.
Yes, that would be great. Would be great.
We actually have Spazzy confirmed as a voice actor on the game. So one of the characters will have Spazzy's voice. Look at that. We have Spazzy.
Look at him. Take a look at this
guy.
guy.
I actually love his voice, and that's one of the main reasons I asked him.
He has a good voice?
Yeah. I remember telling him I think his voice is golden on a party I met him.
Did he blush?
Yeah, I think he became all red in his face. Is that blushing?
I think that's just not having enough air.
Okay, that explains it. I started choking him. I did that.
There we go.
I do things like that now and then, and yeah, people tell me I'm a funny guy, but the policemen, they raise their eyebrows and go. You're gonna continue that, you're gonna go to jail. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to take you to jail. Bad policeman.
I can't be
really
honest.
don't want to.
I don't have time for this.
Come on. Just stop choking.
Come on!
You should just stop. You'll die if you continue, and I'll have to beat you down with this little stick, you know? And I have already been to the gym. I don't want it. I don't want more calories to be burned. Stop it. So we have decals. We have a decal list, and
did you add a new tile for the one
wall.
on the wall? Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it's green.
It's a nice color.
So I just tinted it to see if I changed it. Yeah, you know, I'm a good guy like that, you know, and
It's a good
funny.
guy move.
It's funny to do that.
Good guy Walter, am I right, memesters?
I am the memester. Look at me. I do memes every day. I go to memegenerator.com.
And then,
And I don't know if that's a website.
of course it is.
Of course it is. It's either a real website with ads that gives you virus, or it's a fake website with virus that gives you ads. Yeah, come on, chat. Be more talkative. What? Don't you want us to stream anymore? What's up with that? We don't just want a Roxy to write to us, because that makes us feel bad, because a Roxy is
Now he's just saying his name a bunch again.
Yeah, Roxy is slowly withering away, trying to write stuff to us.
Yes, he's slowly dying.
And I think he'll die soon enough.
Soon enough.
So I have the room, and I have the room level jam, and then we have this one. I'm gonna add stuff to this level jam room settings. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Walter, don't guilt trip us. You're killing a Roxy.
You're killing a Roxy, and if you kill a Roxy, you kill one of our main stalkers.
Yeah. One of my faves.
Ah!
Oh no, I said it!
So now we have decals. That took forever.
Did it? Did it though?
No, I haven't added them. I added them to the config, but I didn't add them to put them on the floors.
If you
but I'm gonna add them, put them to the floors now. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh no, did you say I'm a racist? But I'm not racist.
I think he's...
Why are you calling me a racist?
Ugh.
We lost 3 viewers. 3 Italians just ran away.
They just ran away.
Yeah. You're calling me a racist. They didn't understand that I was the racist one. I'm not a racist.
They are calling me a racist. Okay, let's do this.
Oh no, I can't. Oh no, I can't. Oh no, I can't. Now I'm a racist by being Swedish as well, va? This is also racist because Swedish people sometimes talk like this, and then it's very bad, and it's racist. Yeah, you think so? No, then I can talk like this as well. Okay, but this is not racist. But this is racist, okay? Well,
Are you making a point now?
I'm making a point.
What, you're so political this stream?
Yes. I feel triggered. I'm just messing with your heads, trying to get you to hate me because I'm a hateable person, you know? Haven't you figured out how to hate me yet?
How to
It's
hate
really easy. It's really easy. Just follow me on Facebook and see what I like on Facebook.
it?
Oh,
Racist stuff.
only likes his grandma's posts, and his grandma is really ugly. I don't like this.
Oof. Someone's shooting fireworks. I have no idea how close I am now. I've been coding too much before without looking how it looks. It's too scary. Yes, there we go. I did not set any of my my variables, Walter.
Wow.
Is it cool? Hey! Now you're not listening!
Ja, jag vet.
Ja, jag vet.
Ja, jag vet.
I really like...
When you shut the fuck up, Walter.
I would never say that.
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't. I don't have to.
You really wouldn't?
Stop putting your finger to your mouth and looking to the side.
Level gen decals. Okay, let's see if I can just snatch the script. I can't snatch this script probably.
No snatch permissions?
No snatch permissions. I think I gotta duplicate that script.
Yeah, I gotta.
So level gen decals. Level gen decals. Duplicate that one and go script level gen room.
From now on, I'm gonna do init scripts for everything I add. It's much better. I like it.
Yeah.
Why haven't I done this before? So clean.
So clean. So
Nothing
nice.
like Walter's room, am I right? Yes.
I'm so happy. I'm so glad that
I got
you
burnt.
burnt me. And I'd like to thank you, and thank you means oh shit. Let's see how we fix this. We add a decal, and we add a decal. Where do we add the decal? Tile add. There we go. We have tile add. And what we want to do is to add it.
It's
on the
animated
right
up once. I think that's good enough though. You see the animation. No.
once.
One time you play the game. That's it.
Enter undefined.
Yeah, I've seen that. It happens sometimes with the huts.
What?
I thought you added it.
No.
No.
You thought it was a joke?
Yeah. I can't see what this is.
Yeah, so we have a bug.
Wanna add that to the buggy list?
Yeah, I'm just gonna write enter undefined.
Sounds like a pretty cool place.
Pretty fun joke, though. Pretty fun. Pretty goddamn funny. Pretty goddamn funny, actually. I think that might be the...
Not the funniest.
No, not the... Are you
So
sure
the text it disappears like as soon as the variable ends.
Are you
right?
are you talking about subtitles? You're watching a show, so the text disappears.
Oh yeah, now it says enter all the time. Do you like that? And now it disappears when you walk up to the hut instead.
That's freaking stupid, Axel. I like it.
So now it works the other way around. You're welcome.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. should have known you were such a beast. So for everyone who's wondering, I did 2 days ago. I mounted a CPU cooler into my computer, and it went fucking great. And now I have a CPU cooler inside of my... Yeah, I'm gonna say it.
Let's say it.
Inside of my... Oh shit, there are. Well, this is gonna be interesting. We can decal depth. Oh, we have no decal depth. Well, that's we can't fix
That sucks, dude. Fix it, dude.
So what we're gonna do right now is go to level gen.
Oh yeah, check this out, Waterman. Huh?
Check what out?
The animation.
Oh, Axel,
There's a little bit of polish.
you did it! You did it!
Hey, who would have thought this old man?
My-
And did you see how it disappeared when you went in?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it now. Ah, that's cool, Axel!
Thank you. Guys, you can't watch this. This is
No.
not. This
This
is
is
not
just
part of the stream.
when game dev goes right. We do this.
You gotta kiss.
Oh yeah.
This is nothing about love. This is just game.
This
dev.
is just celebration, pure celebration.
This is just pure celebration. I need to see what happens if you go. Okay, that works too. Like when you walk between them, it doesn't mess up.
That's a cool. That's very
That's a
cool.
cool. Thank you guys, or actually just thanks to Roxy.
Yeah, Roxy, thank you.
I didn't realize you can break the huts. Yes, you can. You can, and if you break them, you will never get the goodies inside. Now you can't get in here anymore. The sheds are really easy to destroy too.
Look at this! Look at this! We have decals! We have decals!
Oh, it's a grassy floor! What a great job!
Looks really bad though, but we have decals. Now we can do things actually.
Wow, now we can. Now it's ready to be fully designed. Everything. Good job.
Oh yeah. One problem though.
Oh.
I don't think the decals will be destroyed. Yeah, they're still there.
Ooh!
I need to add that to the... I need to destroy the decal depth. I hate that
Oh,
word.
finally some breakbeats. Do you delete the remembering of the huts inside as you break it? Yes, because if I understand it correctly, all that information is stored inside the prop.
Yeah, it's
right?
stored inside the prop.
Wait,
so
does it flush that when it's like the door disappears?
no. So we still have the information actually.
Okay,
but,
do we want that?
You can't enter. It's not that.
It's not heavy enough to.
No, it's not heavy enough.
Okay. Yeah, our problem is not memory based.
No.
Except that one time.
That one time, then that.
At band camp, am I right? With Stifler's mom, am I right?
I have no idea. It's memory based. So, where do I have room destroy? Here we go, room destroy.
So the problem now is that the text is drawn always.
Oh, nice.
That's not nice though.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I thought it was nice, but it wasn't nice. So what are you trying to say to me? It is bad?
No, wait, I'll fix it. I'll fix
You
it.
fucking
No,
asshole.
No, wait! It's super easy to fix.
I don't like you at all.
It's super easy to fix, please.
I maybe hate you even?
No. Does Walter hate me? Check out the polls.
You can actually launch polls if you're logged in.
Where?
I don't know.
Oh, like in the... Do you... So, what? It sounds like you knew it, but then you didn't. You tricked me. I want to know how.
Why
to
do
make
we?
YouTube
Why do we
polls.
get different decals each time right now?
I don't know.
That's not how it's supposed to be. Why do we get different decals every single time?
That's a really nice song. My description would be
really
enter
nice
this coffee
song.
smelling hut. Walter and Axel must fight.
Oh, no, I don't want to fight you.
I'll take the fastest train and punch you dead.
You can't punch a dead man.
Oh, you got us suicide. Don't give up already.
So the problem right now is that we get different decals each time. What the fuck is up with that though? So I'm gonna check if that's a problem. Well, it is a problem. I mean, it's a real problem, but I'm gonna check if I can fix it. Fix that problem, you know?
I think you can fix it.
You really do think so?
I was born thinking so.
Wow. Now I know how it feels to become one with.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really like singing the same song with you, with the
Yeah,
exact
I really
same lyrics.
I really like it too, actually. Really like it. Very funny
Maybe
too.
invisible people changes the decals when you are not looking. Could that be a feature?
That could be a feature.
Could this just be the Invisipeeps?
The invisible peepers?
Oh.
What's up with this? This shouldn't be a
Calm
problem,
down.
you know? This
Calm
shouldn't be a
down.
problem at all.
It's just a game, dude.
It's not a game. It's not a freaking game, though. What the fuck is this?
Oh yeah, that's really bad. That's not realistically possible.
I know. I really know that.
Oh, that was a disgusting room. Who ate that? Who brought the? Who brought? Oh, okay.
The fly, of course.
I get it now. Should we have the
What are you
shed completely filled with flies?
What are you trying to do, fly? I know what you did, and I know what you're trying to do right
Does
now.
the fly actually keep continuing where it left off?
Yeah.
It does. That's so cool.
No.
No.
I had to remove that, and it actually took quite some time because then it would slowly go outside the room.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, because that was the new starting point.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we almost had decals, but I messed it up. What? No! Everything is broken.
What?
What the fuck? Look at this. The decal is destroyed here as well.
But
Now
it
we have no
seems-
decals. Now we have no decals. Look at this.
Oh yeah, look at that.
What the fucking fuck? One decal.
Oh.
But that decal was
Moved?
there.
Yeah, it moved up there as well.
What's up with this? So, doesn't it work anymore? What's up with this?
Oh,
Now it's down here. But it's not, it's
Oh.
okay.
but it wasn't there. It was on the left side before.
So now it's gone. Did I do
Oh.
something?
So
So
many
it-
questions.
I mean, this wasn't a problem before, right?
I'm not sure about the. Yeah, maybe when could something have happened when you switch it out with a new tile set?
No, it shouldn't. I mean, I'm gonna try to find. Like now we have this one. You see? Now we don't.
You sound like a magician.
Yeah, but I am. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so maybe it's in the remove decal thing. Let's see. Remove room. This room destroy. Okay, so let's just comment this one out and see what's happening.
I keep using variables I don't
Might
even
be.
own.
To pee on ants.
Hey,
What the fuck? This wasn't the problem before, right? This wasn't the problem at all before.
think so.
Now it's a problem.
But the wall ones still work.
No, they don't. Yeah, the wall ones still work, but
So what
No.
about the decals outside?
oh well, I have changed some stuff. So let's see. Let's see if I can fix this. So we have
I made the
We set
animation better.
we set the random seed to. Let's set the random seed again, maybe. Maybe it's changing while going through the code. It shouldn't change. I think it's frame based, but I don't know. If I set the random seed again down there, maybe it will fix it. Yeah, I become angry when we fixed something and then it breaks.
I get
No,
angry.
it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
I get angry when something shitty happens.
Oh yeah.
Could I
you
get to talk about things that make me angry too, maybe?
Yeah. Shut up. But you can actually check if you have that problem as well with the wall tiles.
Oh yeah.
Right.
See if I have one of those. Yes, I got one up in the right corner.
So now the wall tiles works. Look at this.
Nah,
get the
no,
same-
mine isn't working.
I get the same wall tile each
Mine.
time. Look at this.
So what happened with mine was that this up in the right corner, it was
Yeah.
here the first time, but the second time I entered, it added a new one.
Okay, let's see if I can get. Do we have any one? Okay, this one should be there all the time. So then I won't go in again. Oh, it's not there.
But it moved to the
So-
right.
Yeah, it moved to the right. Does it move to the right each time? No.
It could be
Maybe
right
okay.
behind you.
But what's up with this one though? Because this one works right now.
Maybe it's too small, so it's always generated. Kinda how,
Yeah,
since it's
man.
the same seed, right? And it's this same shape.
So we have that one there. We have, and it's gone. Feels like it's something. Well, I don't know. Well, this is gonna make things harder. I mean, it felt like it worked yesterday, right?
Yeah, I think so. I can't remember those
I
specific.
moved some code actually, so I don't know. Maybe it's that. I'm gonna see if I can. So where do we add those tiles even? So we have this code, and then we have material grid. So we set this random seed up there. Do we have to set the random seed?
Bye, Daniel. Have fun.
Why does it work for the walls but not the other stuff? That's the weird thing, I think. But it does work for the walls, right?
Yes.
So it does work for the walls, but not anything else. That's weird. Well, we should be able to solve this without because if it works for the walls, then it should work for everything. Wait. So it doesn't work for the walls either.
It doesn't?
Nope.
Oh yeah, look at that.
What's up now? It did work yesterday, right?
I'd like to say so.
I think it worked yesterday.
You could go back to the stream. We have it documented.
Yeah.
But I say it worked.
Let's see. Was it yesterday though? No. When did we test this? Oh yeah, it was yesterday. So let's see.
Enter undefined.
Can you please enter and leave, Walter? Can you please do it? So we have a problem, Axel?
Oh, this is just like when that Houston guy talks.
Yeah, Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah, that sucks. That sucks.
That is pretty sucky, actually.
Shit. Would be nice to restart the animation when there's a new text.
It actually worked yesterday. It looks like it worked. So I've done something to mess it up. Probably. That depends, actually. Because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. This is hard. But it did work yesterday. I'd like to think so.
Like to think so too. Pico says, I checked the stream from yesterday. It seems like it was working then for everything.
No,
something broke?
Something broke. And it broke. Okay, so I know what I've done.
You can look at your submit or commit in source tree.
Yeah, but I know what I did, what I changed actually. So I did something. Oh, could this be the problem? No, that shouldn't be a problem. Do we store?
Oh yeah.
Didn't work yesterday. That's where we stored props. Store the room in it, but I want to store the room. Where do I store the room though? Do I store that one when we leave or something? Is it on the destroy? Yeah, here's where I store everything. So then it's stored. Okay, so this seems like it's kind of working.
Guys, when you click on my name in Discord, does it say that I'm streaming? Like, if you click on me in Big Boss Boo Boos up in the right corner?
No.
No, okay. Yeah, well, okay.
So we have a problem right here. It seems that it doesn't work anymore, and that's not funny at all, actually.
But you know what's funny? That the text pops up when it changes now. That's funny.
Yeah, that's funny. That's pretty funny, actually.
So I hope that made you feel a little bit better.
Yeah, it makes me feel best.
Oh. I feel so bad about hurting the sheds.
Yeah. So we have set seed storage. Should it be storage though? Shouldn't it be storage? Do I set storage? No, it shouldn't be storage. It should be storage dot seed or something. Wait, I'm gonna check this because I think I've accidentally removed something or something. And if that's the problem, then I'll scream, "Oh yes, please, yes, take me away. I'm ready to die. I'm ready for you, heavens."
Heavens!
Let's see. So we set the seed. Yeah, there's the problem. I don't know why that one was removed, but I accidentally removed dot seed, which was stupid. was pretty stupid actually. So let's see if it works now.
Wow, you
And
can actually use the
doesn't work.
Discord chat.
Doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work.
Wait. Okay, set seed. Stat all places. No. So it doesn't work? Why doesn't it work now? Did I set the storage to seed? I have no idea right now. Pavilion room settings. No, okay. So that didn't work. Why didn't it work though? Should work. So the seed is different each time now.
Okay, so that's.
I'm gonna see if it is different. So I'm gonna use a debug.
Yes.
Show.
It's so unfortunate how long that command is.
Yeah. It's pretty long.
I'm holding my thumb.
That it is different each time.
Yes.
No, it's the same each time. So the seed is the same each time, but we get different results each time. Is it because it's point something? Let's see if we do floor. Does that work?
Oh, you think it's a float?
It is a float, but that shouldn't be a problem, I think. Because it's just a seed. So let's see. Get the same seed each time.
Different decals.
Yeah.
And walls, right?
Yeah, walls also. Do we get two variations though? No.
No.
Get different each time. Different each time. So that's weird. So doesn't the set seed work anymore? So if I just use the debug thing.
Are you sure you're using the seed when you're?
I'm gonna try. So I'm setting the seed over here. Let's fetch the seed again down here. Let's see if we still have the same seed. Let's see if this works. Okay, let's see.
Rocks to the right, grass to the right.
Oh yeah, I still need the first one. That's true.
You didn't remember it?
Yeah. Okay, there we go. So it's the same through the entire loop. So it just doesn't work. Is that it? Did it even work? That's the question. Did it ever work? Did it?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe we were looking at the storage. The storage is always the same, right?
Maybe.
Oh, not the storage, but the shed.
Yeah, so I don't know. We had the same seed. Why doesn't it work now though? Same seed through the entire thing. I almost want to go back to an old version and see if it works. If it did work.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Weird.
Pico. Thank you, Pico. That really helps. That's so weird. So weird. I really thought it worked. I really thought it worked. That's so weird. No. I mean, why shouldn't it? Why shouldn't it work?
What is the spawn variable?
Spawn variable. Yeah, I had to add that because we want to be able to place props without them spawning things. Because when I place props into the rooms, they've already saved the props that the prop spawned. So when they just duplicated props.
Oh, okay.
So I needed that variable. Okay, let's see. Decal grid. Well, that's weird. That's weird. That's weird.
You added entrance equals ID. ID. That's probably it, right? Maybe.
Entrance equals ID. What do you mean?
I don't know. I'm just looking through.
Okay, so yesterday they said 10.
Yeah, I'm looking at the compare versions right now. Oh yeah, it's you can even do it easily on this on the web version.
Okay, so it seems to be working on the stream, at least with Captain Dolmer. Let's see, but I checked the shed, and the shed is no, it's different each time. The shed,
Yeah,
over here. So it did work. If I change this to Captain Dolmer, does it work? Captain Dolmer. Let's see if it works.
Wait,
it works
now
and-
everything went black. Are you okay?
Oh.
The Captain Dolmer attack.
Yeah, Captain Dolmer did attack.
My screen looks like this. I'm just scrolling through the changes. What it did. See if anything makes sense to me.
So this doesn't work anymore. I don't understand why though. That's really weird. We have the same seed through the entire thing and it doesn't work. Or wait a minute. I just realized that I did something wrong.
That's good.
Okay, first of all, we don't set the seed at all anymore. We show a debug message.
So when you did Captain Dolma, you was writing it in the debug. Captain Dolma. Captain Dolma.
Let's just Captain Dolma. Let's just try.
It's not working.
Let's try that again.
Why does it go black when you write Captain Dolmer?
I think I have some sort of.
Do you have like a Captain Dolmer macro?
Yeah,
Makes your screen go black. Okay. Oh
Captain
no!
Dolmer.
Oh no! Oh no!
Captain Dolmer works.
No, it doesn't. The first time there was rocks on the floor.
Yeah, but it works. Let's see here. So it doesn't work for Okay, it doesn't
work for walls either.
But that's the problem, because in the stream I was checking.
That's my laugh. That's my laugh again.
Yeah, it worked. It worked. It actually worked. So that's super weird.
Hey guys, look how well composited.
Well,
yeah.
Look at this. Now it works. It's the same there, same there, the same there. It's the same there, same there.
Almost getting dizzy.
You see? We have these.
So what did you do?
Haven't done anything. That's the problem. I have no idea why it works and why it doesn't. So let's just see if. Okay, so I'm gonna do this seed storage.seed and then just show the message, show debug message, storage. No, I'm gonna do random get seed. There we go. And then I'm gonna do random get seed down here as well, and just see what the seed is. See if it changed somehow. I don't know how the seed works in Game Maker actually. Yeah, this Pico, it really is confusing. So let's see. So we have the same seed through the entire thing, and gives us different things. So
but are you
why
sure you're storing the seed correctly then? But do you mean that it's the same like every time you walk in?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is weird. This is a tiny bit weird. So I'm gonna see if it is. Do we need to like enter this one and leave it, and enter this one and leave it, enter, leave. Okay, now we have the same thing each time. Now we have the same thing each time. Okay. Same thing. Let's see over here. We have random. Okay, we have random. But if I just leave and enter a couple of times. Let's see how many times we need to do this.
Whoa.
There we go. The decals are gone now. So let's see. Leave, enter. We have this combination here.
2221.
Leave, enter.
222.
Leave, enter.
2221.
Leave, enter. Leave, enter. What the fuck?
So after a while, it's correct.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. After a while, it is correct. Oh, why
So
didn't we
you
think
just
of that?
need
Actually?
to, every time you walk into a room, just play the same code a couple of times. Why is it that you set the seed in the beginning of the code?
I'm just fetching it. I'm just fetching it. I'm fetching it because I'm fetching it from the prop that created the room, and that prop created a random seed because we want random. We don't want every room to look the same. But seems like it doesn't work. So this is really weird. Shouldn't it be work? So this is just weird, actually. So it works when we have no decals. So that's the main thing. When we have no decals, it works. So if I remove this code and probably that code as well, I guess. Is this the one? Add wall tiles. I guess so. So if I remove this one as well, does it work then? No idea. Let's see if it works.
Well, I hope so.
I hope so as well. Oh, that was
No.
the wrong one. So let's see.
No, I think wall decals were at the bottom.
That's the room.
Oh,
decals.
that's decals on wall tops. Maybe that's not.
Well, let's see. This is so weird. I have no idea what's happening actually. It's quite irritating. Oh, it was just those. Those are not wall top decals. Oh yeah. It's the wall tops. It's not the decals. Where do we add those? Is that inside of this one, maybe? Yeah, it is.
But those are working after the decals are gone too, right?
Yeah, that's true. But why does it work after a while? That's the weird thing. And why do one thing that I'm wondering is why do the decals slowly disappear?
Yeah.
I think those problems are linked, probably, because when they disappeared, it works.
Yeah, probably.
So we'll have to find that problem. We'll have to find why decals slowly disappear. So we have right now it's random as well. No, is it? Let's see. We have this. Okay. This. Did it change? No, I had the same thing each time, actually.
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
1, 1, 2, 2.
I think we have the same thing each time now. So there we go.
Plus 2.
No.
Nope. It was wrong one time.
Once. Why though? Oh yeah.
Again.
So Oh, I know what changes though.
Yeah.
So right now this level was just generated, and when I leave, that level is saved, and now when I enter, it is loaded, and now when I leave, it is saved, but then it is loaded, saved, loaded, saved, loaded.
I don't understand the difference.
So right now we just have one that is loaded each time, and that one has the right ones each time, but the first one, look at this one.
Yeah.
The first one changes, but now it doesn't change because it's loaded each time.
And is it the first variation?
It's the first variation that changes, and then it's loaded. Yeah, so the first one is generated, then it's loaded, and the loaded ones are right. But how come when we have decals, it seems like it's wrong more than once, right?
I don't know. Let's activate them and see if we still
have that problem.
Yeah, just to keep narrowing it down, I guess.
Yeah. It's so weird. It's a weird thing. It's a weird thing. So let's see. We have let's just
do shed
this
yeah.
one. Yeah, we have no decals.
222.
And now it changes, but now it's the same each time. Okay. So when I enter this one, we have a bunch of decals and changes.
It keeps changing until
the decals disappear.
So okay, but
I'm actually gonna check something real quick.
There is an issue without the decals though, so maybe disable them and try to find that first.
Yeah, probably. So the issue without the decals is that it seems like the random seed is only working when the level is generated. No, when it's saved. So why is that though?
Do you think it changes during the generation? Is it on another step?
I just realized what could be the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just realized it actually. Could this be the problem? I changed one thing, and that could be the problem. So what I changed was this. I changed this where I added 1, -1, 1, -1, and so on to this because I didn't want it to go out of range. But I think somehow adding that it breaks it somehow. Maybe if I just remove it from this one and go one. This is the one that adds tiles. If we just remove that and see if it unbreaks.
Unbreaks?
That's a way of saying fix. Unbreak things.
I'm a fan.
Okay, let's see. Let's go with this one. We want this again. Okay.
No.
Was it the same? No, it wasn't. So it wasn't the same?
It's the same. No, it wasn't the same. The wall tile was up on the left side.
This. No, it's not the same. Okay, I'm just gonna
and
change.
the third time it wasn't the same either.
Wasn't it?
No.
So if I change this to 0, 0, I know that I changed this, and I'm just gonna change it back and see if this is the problem. Could be the problem. And that's pretty much it, I think. 0. What did I do now? Did I break something?
Why you made why?
What did I do? Oh, there we go. So let's see if this fixes things. It makes it out of bounds, but if it fixes things, then I just need to figure out a way to make it not out of bounds and do the right thing. So we have this, and we have these. Can we get these again? No, didn't work.
Almost. Oh, it seems to. Yeah, no, it's right.
No, it's right. So it wasn't that.
But you have a couple more plus minus ones.
Do I? No.
No? Okay.
Let's get that back. There we go. Okay. Let's see. If generate equals 1 and if generate equals 0, we do this. Maybe this should be 0, 0. This shouldn't be like this.
What actually. I do at this point is to copy whatever new work I want to save and go back to the old version.
Yeah, that's true. But I think I maybe can I can probably fix this.
Sure you can. But did you only change things in that script, or are there other places to look?
I could actually do something interesting. Not that interesting though, but it's I could do a quick fix actually. A quick fix? No, it isn't a quick fix. But I could do a fix.
I mean, I could just fetch the old code from Bitbucket and we could try pasting it in just quickly.
No, but I've changed it. I've changed a lot of things in this one. But I think I can fix this. I'm gonna fix it. So I'm thinking. So what I'm thinking is that. Oh. That's true.
No one said anything.
No. Didn't this go out of bounds when I changed this? I'm gonna see. Did it go out of bounds? If I enter it, no, it doesn't go out of bounds.
But you went back to the old code now?
No. Works. Doesn't. No, it works. No, it doesn't work at all. No. Is it random? What
I think it might have to do with the wall decals. Maybe? It's bouncing around.
So should I have 1, 1, -1, -1 here? I don't know. It seems almost random now.
Isn't there any way to debug? Like go through and debug certain things now?
So now it works. Now it works. Seems like it works. Does it work every single time? No. First time. Doesn't work the first time. Okay, let's just create a bunch of them. Okay. Well, let's see. This seems kind of weird. Oh, well.
Is a trick in that? I'm gonna get a quick cup of tea. I'll be right back.
Yeah, you do that. So what I need to check right now is I don't want this code to store anything. Right here. See if we store anything in this code. Do we? No, we don't. Oh gosh darn. Maybe try to locate where in the code the decals change places and the walls switch textures. Yeah, that's true. So the wall, it's in this code where the wall switches, but that shouldn't be a problem because it's just a random thing, and that should read from the random seed, and yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. So the problem right now, and what I'm thinking of doing to solve it, the problem right now is actually no. The problem right now is that the wall generation is it looks the same as the loaded one, but I guess it isn't the same. I have no idea actually. I'm gonna check if I remove add inst, like the instances, because that's a new thing, instances in the room. If I remove that, does it work? We'll see.
Yep.
So I have those. No, that wasn't the case. So I'm thinking of doing something that is kind of dumb but would solve it, I think.
Zero.
I'm thinking I generate a room, I save it to the storage, and then I load the room. But that is so dumb. Actually, I'm gonna try this one. Maybe this is the problem. Show debug.
Thank you very much.
Message generate. Maybe the room is generating more than once.
Oh.
That could be the problem.
But it's still the same seed though.
So first time it is generating, and the second time it's not. But if we add this one though, does it start to generate each time? I don't know. Let's see. Shouldn't though. That would be so weird. So we have a 1, and then we have a 0, and then we have a 0, then we have a 0. But we get different tiles each time. Weird. So the room decals, something is fucked up with this one. I'm thinking it could be this. Let's just remove that one for now. Let's see if that solves it. So right now we go into this room and we have these decals. Now we have these decals. Now we have the same decals each time when we load.
Oh hey.
And
Progress.
that's progress. Not the progress I wanted though.
But that's a step forward though.
Yeah.
Now it's only the first generation.
That is wrong.
Just like in Star Trek.
Yeah, just like in Star Trek. But we still need to fix this somehow. So I guess this code, I should remove this code actually. I should do... So this code should be over here. Yeah, so this code should be in the generation.
What does this code do?
Add decals. But what I want to do is I want to add decal spaces and not the actual decals. So what I'm gonna do here is just remove this one and do that, and then go down here to where I was and go if decal grid hashtag. Then we add that one. Okay, we can't go argument 1. That's true. So we need to create a script. What was the script though? Where am I?
Was like add decals or something, right?
Yeah,
That one?
there we go. Is this one? Yeah. Material. Should this be a different? Could be inside of this actually, I think. So I add this inside of this one, and I only need these. No, I need those. No, I don't need those. Do I?
The memoirs
this
of a Yankee.
is a problem though. Oh wait.
Oh!
I think we can do so. We're gonna do something crazy right here.
I love crazy things when I can sit at home and do them. Shut up.
So now we add tiles when it's generated, but we want to add tiles when it's fetched as well. So that's a problem though. Yeah, so I need to yeah, I need to handle decals a new way, I think. In the I can't do it the same way. So I'll go if I random if script R&D purse equals 40 or something, then I just set the decal if grid x y equals floor, then we set the decal grid x y to set that to what we're gonna set that to decal. There we go. And then we'll have to do a new sort of script where we go. This will be interesting, I think. Is this the X1? Yeah. Okay, so I need to figure out a new way of dealing with decals, and I think I'm on it. So if material grid, no, we don't need the material grid, so we're gonna remove that one. No, we don't need the material grid. We don't need the material grid at all, and we actually want this one. We want to move this one to here. And I think we'll do something like that. And we want this one to be decal. So if it's on a decal, then we go through the DS list and such, and so we want to change this to, we don't need a material. This is gonna be hard.
Dang it.
That's gonna be fine, I think. It's gonna be argument 0, 1, 0, 2, 3. And blah, blah, blah. There we go. I think this should do it. We'll remove that one. Let's see if this does anything at all. Oh, whoa. God damn it. This is a bad way of dealing with the decals, though. I need to figure out a new way. So we have decals there. Is it the same? No. But is it the same now? Yeah, it's the same now. The second time, of course. So it's the same the second time. Now we have decals, and it's dealt with the right way, I think.
Okay. Hello, doll.
Yeah, I want to check something though. I want to be able to check. I need to pee. I'm gonna be right back.
Yeah. You do that. All right, so I'm the captain now, I guess. I hope you're all fine with that. This is kind of embarrassing because I'm not reading right now. I'm just drinking tea and watching Walter squirm. But hey, I could just run around in the video game for you guys. I was thinking about maybe changing. So there's a little zoom in when you walk into huts and sheds and everything like that. But I think it's not really needed. Now it's more like just a zoom out, and it's fine. But yeah, check out this. Oh, we got the undefined hut again. That's a bug. There's not really a hut that is undefined. Not really sure why it's happening though, because the shed seems to work. I guess I could take a look at that. Let's do that.
There we go.
Yeah.
So we can deal with decals this way for now, but it's not a good way of dealing with decals at all. It's not a good way.
Is it the same way that you do for the rest?
No.
This is the saddest stream, but I appreciate your hard work. It's a big part of game dev. Just trying to figure out what is wrong.
And what the
So,
fuck?
unfortunately, a lot of the time is spent furrowing your brow, but when you find what was wrong, you're gonna go like, I'm an idiot.
But I don't think I'll go I'm an idiot this time.
You don't think?
No, because this is freaking stupid.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it should work.
I want a it should work counter.
So it remembers the houses.
Yeah,
as well.
they remember.
That's good.
Them.
So if we have like an enemy spawning things, it will remember it all.
Yeah.
So wait, I can do. Can I? No, I can't do that. Yeah, I think
you
I can.
Should be able to, right? Oh!
Oh What is happening?
Where did it go? Oh, is it... oh, they are on the same spot.
Oh yeah, they're inside of me. Look at this.
Oh, so you got double shots.
Double shot. That was weird. That was just weird. No, it's the same each time. What the? No, please.
Happened.
Oh no. Don't do this to me.
Oh yeah, it's still changing. Because there was a grass decal by the door.
Yep. You know what? I'm tired of this.
Maybe this is a sleep on it problem.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe this is a decals problem.
Don't be mad at the decal. Oh, have fun with your car. Okay, there's some kind of connection between my presence and your bugs. No. No, there's not. Just look at the text animation within. It's perfectly fine.
I'm not feeling ill anymore. Thank you for your concern, Homer.
He's in tip-top shape.
I'm in tip-top shape, and I gotta go.
Oh,
No, I don't. I just wanted to say something.
oh.
Well, this was the problem. There we go. I think I fixed the problem again.
Decal grid is decal. I've been watching silently. Owen, welcome to the loud
You're
buzzing
what we
chat.
Yeah, you're what we call in Swedish an äckel.
En äckel.
Yeah. So now it seems to be working again.
Was it working the first time?
I'm not gonna be happy just yet.
But wait, is the first gen working?
No.
No, okay.
Then I would scream. So now it doesn't work again. Did something just happen?
What does it mean? Asks Owen. Do we tell him?
No. We wouldn't tell him.
We wouldn't tell him.
Right.
You wouldn't tell an Owen. I just had a quick look at the... Because the hut is the only one that's undefined. It's really weird. The shed is never undefined.
No, the shed is undefined sometimes.
It is?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Then it makes more sense, I guess.
Yeah. But I think that's just a case of the DS list being out of range. So, right now we get the same goddamn thing each time, but if I go up here and down here, can I get the same thing again? I mean, this isn't like... Oh no, it's changed. Okay. It's officially just weird. It's officially just weird. Do the players change the grid it is walking on somehow? No, it shouldn't be changing the grid. And now it is changed. Now it went back. So now it's there again. But if I walk up here and then scoot down here and then press that one, it is not changed. Oh, so
Oh,
if
no.
I walk up here,
It's crap on reality.
if I walk up here and I go here and then I go back, it's changed. So if I walk up here and then walk down here and leave, it should change. Ooh. I have no idea why that would do anything. Why? This isn't even comprehensible.
Compressible?
Compressible.
This is not even compressible. In good news, I fixed the undefined thing.
So we have, oh cool. So we have two different variations. We have this one if you walk up here and walk down here. And then we have, okay, can we get another one? And then we have this variation of the decals. Do only the decals change though? Let's see.
Yes.
I need to walk up here first. And walk down.
Yeah.
Come on. I mean, I think I almost need to fix this the bad way.
What's the bad way?
Storing every single goddamn thing. No.
Has to be something, right?
Something about the decals, but I mean, what could it be? What could it be? Like storing the decals, do we store them the wrong
You don't
way?
store them like 2 times or something like that, right?
Let's see.
So they overwrite themselves?
That shouldn't be a problem though.
But if the seed is different...
But the seed is the same each time. Okay. So I set the decal grid to the decal grid.
Nicole, we were having a problem where sometimes it said enter undefined. So that's why I've got all the sheds I could ever get.
So I'm just gonna store things once now, because we don't change the decals, or we don't change the grid. I think.
Yes.
Nice working with the text though. You make me kind of happy.
Thank you very much.
Did I? No, I didn't fix it. was happy for 2 seconds.
It was the best 2 seconds of your life, though.
Yeah.
I wish I was a shed collector for fun. You can't like print the stored variable or something like that?
No. This is weird. This is headache weird. Okay. Removing tiles. Maybe just set this one. Generate equals 1. Maybe just set it if it's equal 1. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I'm guessing something that could mess it up if we have.
Wow.
If we have, let's just do this really quick. I'm gonna show debug message instance number object room level room. I'm just gonna see if we have too many of this object. Just to be sure, because that could cause problems. But we shouldn't have more than one. Why do we get 2 ones? Did I?
Does it generate 2 rooms?
No. So we have 1. Only 1. We only have 1. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna read
That sounds exactly what we're doing.
Wait, I think I'm using the randomize function somewhere. Do we have some sort of setting?
Setting to randomize?
I don't know. Stress. No, we have no setting.
Yeah, you're using it in level gen in it.
Yeah.
But maybe that
shouldn't be a problem though.
That's just for the open world.
Yeah.
Your imagination.
I don't use it in anything else though, right?
No. Only that one time. But yeah, I think it might be healthy to sleep on it.
Yeah,
look at it with new eyes tomorrow. And I also need to bounce. Oh, what happened in your room?
I opened the dark website.
That's scary. Okay, so let's pack up for tonight.
Yeah, god damn it.
We'll
see you later.
Walter is a smart man. He's gonna figure it out, guys. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna figure it out.
Yes. The props are working. 100%.
Yeah, cool.
And we got some cool text.
Yeah, that's true.
It's all going up. It's the best part of a roller coaster.
Yes.
Do you actually think that? I was just kidding.
For sure. I think that's the best part of a roller coaster going up for. So we won this one.
Okay, see you guys around. If you're not in the Discord group, you can join it in the description to this video. We would love to have you there. Bye bye, kiss bye.